Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer faster. So in this video, I'll be explaining you the problem endless appetizers. So the problem says chef colleague has issued a challenge to chef. If you eat more than X Mozilla sticks, I'll give you 30 rupees for each extra one you eat. For example, if X is equal to 5, chef eats 8 sticks, which means he has eaten 3 extra sticks. So for each stick, he'll be getting 30. So he would receive 90 rupees because he ate 3 extra sticks. You know that the restaurant serves Y Mozilla sticks per plate. We also know that the chef received R rupees from his colleagues as a result of the challenge. So, what is the maximum number of plates of Mozilla sticks that chef could have ordered? So, yeah, this problem looks a bit tricky, but it is very easy. Don't worry, I'll be telling you. So, we have integer t denoting number of test cases. So, int t, say int t while t minus minus. So this will take care of all the test cases, and we have here for every test case we will have a function, and they are given 3 integers for every test case, x, y and r. Let's take their input. So let's go down and see. They've given 4 examples. In first example we have 7, 5 and 30. So we have 7, 5, 30. I was actually recording this video, but I don't know, like somehow it got stuck in between. So in the question, what they've given is I mean this is like the number of Mozilla sticks. Let me write M sticks. Chef eats, and and this is Mozilla sticks per plate, which means per plate we're getting 5 Mozilla sticks, and this is the money or rupee received from his friend. So what they're saying is there are Mozilla sticks 4, 5, 6. So 7 sticks he have eaten, and his friend has given 30 rupees because he have eaten one more extra Mozilla sticks. So for 30 rupees we are getting one Mozilla stick. As we know that 30 by 30 I am doing. Why 30 by 30? Because let's say his friend has given 60 rupees per extra whatever he eats, his friend will give it 30 rupees. So if his friend gives 60 rupees, which means 2 extra sticks he have eaten. If you given 130 rupees, which means 1 extra sticks he have eaten. So we'll add it to the answer. So this is the without eating extra Mozilla sticks, this is X, and R denotes how much extra is eating. So total of 8 sticks is eating, and in one plate there will be 5 Mozilla sticks. Now if you try to combine this is one plate, and other plate you can think of in when he orders, so he'll be getting 5 Mozilla sticks and one more 5 Mozilla sticks he'll be getting in 2 plates. So since I have eaten in total of 8 Mozilla sticks, so from the first plate he'll eat everything, and in this from the second plate he will eat only 3, which makes total of 8. So how many plates did he order? He ordered only 2 plates. So in this case you'll have to return answer as 2. So let me just verify. Yeah, it is 2, but how do we solve this mathematically? So what we'll be doing is since you've eaten X Mozilla sticks, and extra sticks how much is eaten is determine the number of rupees given by his friend. So right now your X is 7. Now you will be adding X is equal to X plus R by 30. Why R by 30? This is the number of rupees, and for each extra Mozilla sticks he'll be giving 30 rupees. So if you try to put in this answer, here X is 7 plus R is 30. 30 by 30 is 1, and your X is 8, which means total of 8 Mozilla sticks he have eaten. So now in order to find plates, your plates will be given by how many he have eaten, which is X, divided by, and per plate there are Y number of Mozilla sticks. So it is 8 by 5, which will give you, um, in integer it will give you 1. And since as we know, like from the problem we have written 2. So if you try to check remainder of this, 8 modulo 5 will give you 3, which means 3 more sticks you have eaten from the other plate. So that plate is not considered in this case. So if we have x modulo 5 as a non-zero value, which means you have eaten extra plate, one more in one more plate you have eaten some number of chopsticks, and we'll have to increase your plate by 1. So mathematically this is the answer, and visualize also that is answer. So one more, let's try to understand. Let me take this one, third one, 5 and 120. We have 5, 9, 120. So if you try to think of, so he have eaten 3, 4 and 5 sticks, but his friend has given 120 rupees, which means if you try to divide 120 by 30, it is 4. So 4 extra sticks he have eaten, Mozilla sticks. So in one plate we'll get 5 Mozilla sticks, and last one he have not eaten. So visually, if you try to think of, he is ordering 2 plates. But how do we solve mathematically? It will be x is equal to x plus r by 30. So what is x? 5. What is r? 120 by 30. This is 4. So total of 9 Mozilla sticks we have eaten. And we know in one plate we are getting, is this 9? Give me a second. Yeah, this is 9 and this is 15. Sorry. X is 15, not 5. My bad. So 15 plus 4 is 19. So now P denotes number of plates he needs to order. So it is x by y. So 19, and what is y? Y is 9. So it will give you 2. But 19 modulo 9 will give you as 1. So because it has some remainder, which means you'll have to increase your answer by 1, and this visualization not correct because I've considered 5 not 15. So yeah, this is it. I think you guys got to know how to solve this, but if you try to visualize also, it will be like here you take 5, one plate, in other plate 5 eaten. Let me remove this. So this is again 5, 10 plates have eaten, 2 plates have eaten, and this is 3 plates have eaten. And since 4 are there, like 4 extra you have eaten, so it will be in other plate, and one more Mozilla stick will there, it will not eat. So basically you are ordering how many, 1 2 3 4, but our getting answer is 3. I think something we're missing. We have 15, this is for 19, so we should get let me cross verify once again. 15, 9 and 120. 15, 9, 120. So 15 he have eaten, and 4 extra he will be eating, so that is 19. And 19 by 9 is 18, so it is 2, and here we are getting 1. So why visualization is wrong? 5 you have eaten, one more 5 you have eaten, one more 5 you have eaten, so this makes 3 plates. And since r is 120, which means extra 4 he have eaten. Oh my bad, why I am taking 5? I think previous example was y is equal to 5, that's why. In this example, in one plate there are 9 chopsticks. So yeah, now this is one plate, and from here to 3, 6, 9, this is other plate, and from here to still more 7 Mozilla sticks will be there. So totally only 3 plates will be ordering. So I think visualization was wrong. Yeah, so let's try to solve this. So we will add r by 30, which is basically number of extra sticks, I mean Mozilla sticks have eaten. And now let's try to find plates, which will be given by x by y. If we find x modulo y has some value, so our plates will be increased by 1. At the end we'll have to output these plates. Let's try to run the code. We should get 24394, and yeah, we are getting. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, he got accepted. So I think you guys got to know how to solve this. It was just tricky, I mean a bit tricky, but not that hard. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.